Hi.
Daddy, cheese, Daddy.
You guys look good. I did not know we could fit 3 kids on the activity mat. Boy, you. You two look really big.
Cheese baby, cheese baby. Sex balloon, sex balloon. Space up in space, into the case, into the place, into the maze. Hey Jesse, look at you big Jesse. I pushed baby that way.
No pushing. Be nice.
I'm not pushing her.
Oh, baby Jesse. What do you think? Is it nice having baby Jesse in the house?